Hello class 7 students. How are you? I hope all of you are doing well. So in previous class we have studied BIOS basic input output operating system, in which BIOS does some process and when the computer is starting. So on the startup of computer, BIOS checks different components, and in the last, BIOS gives control to the operating system. As you have studied about BIOS in the previous video, so since BIOS gives all control to the operating system, now BIOS operating system will control the computer's system. So once the operating system has been loaded into memory, we can start using the computer. When we work on Word document, print an email, and use the internet browser at the same time, is it the operating system that manages all these actions? Means at the same time you are using Word document, printing email, internet browsing, you are doing internet browsing. So is it the operating system that manages all these actions? Yes. This program needs the CPU to do their tasks. They also need memory, storage, and the ability to send messages to input and output devices such as mouse and printer to accomplish their tasks. The operating system is responsible for handling these applications and peripherals. So here you can see there are different operating systems are there. Linux operating system, Windows operating system, and Ubuntu operating system. So, and here Macintosh operating system. Nowadays in a smartphone there is also an operating system which is Android operating system and iOS operating system, which is used for Apple mm, Apple phone, Apple smartphone. So here the operating system is responsible for managing the computer's hardware and software resources. It controls the memory needed for computer processes, manage disk space, control peripherals devices, and manages user communication with the computer. Means all these managing done by the operating system. The difference between BIOS and operating system is that BIOS has very limited instructions which are executed during the startup of computer. At the end of booting process, BIOS hands over the control to the operating system and actions from user logging to the application executions. Input, output, processing, and controlling devices are handled by the operating system. Means all the actions from user login, means after operating system load into memory, then you are logging into the operating system and you are executing different applications in using input and output devices. You are doing processing, controlling devices. All these tasks are done by operating system. So operating system is a software that is installed on hard disk. So where operating system is installed in hard disk. There are many operating system available. For Linux operating system there are many Linux operating system: Ubuntu, Red Hat, Debian. So these are the part of Linux operating system. Whereas Windows operating system, there are many types of Windows operating system: Vista, XP, Windows 7, and Macintosh operating system. The operating system loads at the end of booting process. From this point, the operating system controls the way in which the computer functions. So all these functions after booting process, operating system manages. Now the next topic is application software. So we already know about application software. We have used quite a few of them, such as a Scratch application software, word processor, email, and games. So there are many applications, GIMP applications. This is the interface of a Scratch applications. So we can install new application software also as and when required. So any software, whether it is BIOS, whether it is operating system, whether it is application software, consists of instructions written by programmers. That means these applications are developed by the programmers using different programming languages. So specific programming languages are used to build each software. So for example, when you are using some painting physically, you need brush, color, different color. So after using all this, you are able to make a painting on a paper. But when you are using computer and you want to make a painting of something, you can use the applications which are instructed by program by the programmer. So in MS Paint, when you are clicking on color, a specific color blue, then only blue will come. That means it is instructed by program. When you will take brush, that type of brush you will choose, only that type of brush will come because of the program, because of the instructions which are given to the that software. So there are many types of applications like browser applications like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, and so on. A word processor application, a game playing application, an application to paint or build an animation, an email application, and so on. New applications can be installed on a computer as and when needed. These applications reside on hard disk, means operating system, all browser applications, means any application software which are running on your computer, installed on your computer, all these applications are stored in hard disk. Now this is the last topic of chapter 2. Now this is time to solve some questions from today's lecture. So here first is distinguish between BIOS and operating system. Just now you have studied BIOS, you have studied in previous lecture, operating system you have studied in this lecture. So you can easily distinguish. So what is the application software? Name 3 application software. So in the next lecture we'll study chapter 3, which is image editing. But before going to the next lecture, I would like to give you some questions from worksheet. So look at here, all of you open your worksheet of chapter 2. So first question is, classify the following as hardware or software. Write H for hardware, S for software in the next of the word. Means if here motherboard is hardware, so you can write here H simply. BIOS is software, so you can write here S simply. So in this way you can solve the question number 1. Now question number 2. Identify and label following pictures using the list given below. Here list of the labels are given. means pictures are given, and here the names of the labels are given randomly. So you have to choose which one uh, label will be corresponding to that picture. So you have to identify. For example, I want to tell you, see here, this is power supply. So you can choose it from here. You can write here power supply. All of you will do this in your worksheet. You will not do the worksheet question in notebook. If already a space is available in worksheet, only in case if there is no space in worksheet, then you will do in the notebook by writing question number. Now the question number 3, 2b, that was the question number. 2a, it is the 2b. Fill in the blanks, choose from the list in A. You have seen just now there are different number of list, uh, different number of items in the list. Here you have to choose from here: hard disk, motherboard, pen drive. So taking help of this uh, uh, list, you have to solve question number 2b. So here the document and content that we create and other applications like word processor, scratch are stored on the, just now you have studied in this lecture, all the application software like word processor, scratch are stored on hard disk. So you can write simply answer here as a hard disk, which are given in the list. So in this way you can solve the question number 2. Now question number 3, choose letters from the Scrabble rack and scramble them to answer the question as shown below. So you normally do this, keep a copy of important documents. So for this, what you are doing? You are doing backup. And for backup, it is given in zigzag manner. You have to choose the letters from this rack, and you have to make it a meaningful word corresponding to the that questions. So may or may not be all letter will contain your the meaningful word. It may be more than the letter which will contain in meaningful word. Means here 2, 4, 6 letters are required, but here 2, 4, 6, 7 letters are given. So don't worry, you have to make the meaningful word simply. Letters are more than the meaningful word. So in this way you can solve the question number 3. Now question number 4, which of the choices below are not a function of operating system? Means you have to tick which will not the function of operating system. So it controls the memory needed for various process, this is the function. It controls peripheral devices, this is the function. It is the first software that runs when computer is switched on. So this will be the answer, because this is not the function of operating system, this is the function of BIOS, and it manages user communication with the computer. This is also the function of operating system. The answer will be only C. Now question number 5, moving towards question number 5. So here fill the missing information. Here question number 5, what you have to do, here components name are given, you have to write their corresponding unit of measurement. Like monitor screen is measured in pixels, similarly size of monitor is measured in inches. Like this you have to write microprocessor speed, but here unit measurements are already given. Here you have to use, it is written about which component. So now here I am stopping it today's lecture. So in next lecture I will make you understand the questions from 6 to last. So what you have to do till question number 5, you have to complete your worksheet. I will see through online classes. Each and everyone's worksheet I will see. So thank you very much.